Hello guys, you are welcome back to the channel. My name is Kingsley Vincent, and in this video I'll be showing you how I was able to earn $28 on Fiverr, which was very easy. $28 Fiverr, you can earn easy money on Fiverr if you actually know what you are doing. So without further wasting our time, let's head straight to the point of the video. On this very fateful day, this client's Unique Power contacted me that he needed a logo for his company, and he gave me some specification and some sample on how the logo will actually look like. You can actually see what he sent to me. He said, here are some pictures of our inspirations. We are looking for a lion head that is like in a form of a plague or a shield to accompany our text-based logo, which you will see very soon. Your work looks great, thank you very much. He actually complimented me. That's to say, he went through my review and saw that my work looked great, and he actually said, okay, let me work with this guy because I know I'm going to be expecting something very good from him. So he sent me the sample for the inspiration, and this is how they look like. You want them to look like this with the logo and the name, which is something very easy. This is a pure 3D kind of logo, you understand? That's a logo that you actually kind of feel the texture when you are looking at it. You are kind of use your eye but still feel it, understand? So that is it. The process I used in designing this logo is a very simple process. Very, very simple. All I did was I head over to Canva. If you are following me for a while now, or if you are watching my video for a while, you should know that I always talk about Fiverr. In fact, Canva is my darling. Yeah, I love Canva because Canva has actually made me reasonable money on this very platform that I just showed you, which is Fiverr. I've actually made reasonable money with Canva on that very platform. And if you want to be knowing how you also can make money with Canva on Fiverr, I'll just say subscribe to this channel, because that's what this channel is all about. This channel mainly is all about Canva design, graphic design, and making money with Fiverr with what you are learning in this very channel, guys. So I will not waste our time much. It's going to be a very, very brisk kind of video, a straight to the point kind of video. As I got everything, understanding what your client wants is a key in design. First, I'm not going to make any design if I don't understand what my client wants. And as soon as I understand it, then the design is like 70% done. The rest is just research, trying to find everything that the client wants and incorporate them into a one design and then give to the client. Yes, so let me show you the end product of that very design so that you see how it looked like before I tell you guys how I went about making the design good. So these are the designs. What I usually do is that I will get like 15 to like 20, but let me say the range is from 10 to 20 different kind of design that I will make. Then I'll just send them to the client. Then the client is going to make his choice. Then voila. Why I do this is because most time if I should send only one or two designs, then that is a roller coaster of repetition, because the client will always say, I need this change, I need that change, I need this change, I need that change. So to beat that off, what I usually do is that I'll make the design bulk. I'll make them in mass. So when you have a lot of picture designed already and you send it to your client will likely request for revision. Why? Because almost everything that he or she might be requesting forefront, we already solve it presently before even getting to that very point. So you see, that's the need. I know you guys will be asking, Kingsley, how did you go about designing that? Don't worry, you get to that very good, and you get to see that it's very, very it's easy. You see, these are the designs. You can see them. and this is just what the client wants. You don't want anything more than this. So to design this, it was very easy for me. All I did was I went over to Google. Google is always your friend, guys. He will always come to your rescue. So what I did was lion head 3D PNG. And there we go. You can see them right here, bunch and bunch of them, you know. Don't worry about copyright claims, because you ain't gonna be sued for any copyright claim on this. You ain't gonna be sued at all. You can use Google, or another website you can use is Pinterest. You see, one of the things I do is that when I see a kind of logo I want, all I have to do is to click on the logo. For example, if I want to work with this very logo, or it's a kind of something that I want, it's shipped good. You cannot see them. Then this, if this is what I want to work with, I just have to do this: download this very logo and take it over to Canva. Then the magic begins. The magic begins. Let me click on this so that you see the whole thing that I did very, very easily, you know. Good. So I already told you about that. If you haven't seen that, go and watch this video on my channel. So for you to be able to know how I added this after downloading it, watch this video, guys. Watch this very video. This Canva tutorial. Watch this video and you see step by step how I do everything from beginning. After downloading this, all you have to do next is to go over to remove.bg, remove the background image. Then when you have your picture downloaded in your system, all you have to do next is to head over to remove.bg, upload your picture. Watch the magic happen. Your background will be automatically removed from the image. Then you upload it over to Canva. Then Canva is going to give you the design that you want, you know, guys. Good. When you have your Canva ready for your design, and you have your element, that is what you are using for the design, ready as well, all you got to do is to hit on upload. Have the picture uploaded to your Canva account. Then you now click them to your Canva, that is to your free element space. Have them uploaded. Click on this very place, upload them to your Canva account. You can see these are the pictures that I've uploaded based on the design that I need. You can see this very sculpture is part of what I use for design as well. You can see some of them. These are some of the logo that I've designed recently, which I will be making video on very soon. So if you want to watch some of these videos, all you got to do is to subscribe, so that YouTube are going to let you know when I drop another new video, guys. So that is it. You can see how it goes. It's not very difficult. What I use in producing those massive number of videos, as you can logo, like I think there are 16 here. There are 16, 4 here, 4 here, 4 here. That is there are 15 logos that he designed from. These are the elements. I use this shield, and I got the shield the same way I got the lion head, this lion 3D head. All I did was a quick Google search, and it brought me a variety of shield, and I downloaded some. Like I downloaded 5. I used 5 of the shield. Then on each of the shield, and I use separate of these lions, inclusive. Then I have this. Period, guys. That is just it. The most important thing for you is to understand what your clients want. Why I say making money on Fiverr, I see it as a free money, is because the aspect of coming up with ideas is being cut off. Your client is going to give you the idea. Like me, the most important thing in the whole of this graphic thing is idea. If you don't have idea, you are not going to make any sense at all. So you just have to have a good idea, then execute that very idea. In your own case, as a freelancer designing on Canva, on Fiverr, your client is giving you the idea of what he or she wants. So that is cut off already. 50% of the job is done. Then Google is your friend. Google is saving you with another 20% of the job. So you have like 80% done already. What you just have to do on your own part is to apply, let me say 20%, then you are paid 70% on Fiverr. 70% is because Fiverr are taking 20%. Sorry, I said 20%, 70%. You are paying 80%. You are being paid 80% of the money. You can see this is this job. This job is a job of that's supposed to be paid $35. It's a $35 order, but Fiverr collected $16. That's their 20%. And gave me 28%, guys. So that was how I designed that very video, that very logo you saw there. If you want to continue getting this on this channel, all I have to say, subscribe to my channel, please like this video and then share it with your people so that the video is going to get massive. I'll be dropping more this thing on how I design other logos. So guys, keep it locked and thank you for watching.